Aloha friends, this is Tito coming to you for this edition of the Lowly Nation blog on the quick tips for the Fabulous Fridays. Yes, this Friday we are going to talk about the fourth principle towards a prodigious attitude, and that is to look at the sunny side of everything and make your optimism come true. Now, today I'm speaking to you and it's not as sunny as it was on Monday. But nonetheless, you and I both know there is a sun shining behind those clouds today, and that actually is a great demonstration of the fourth principle, looking at the sunny side of everything and making your optimism come true. You believe, like you and I, we both believe that there is a sun behind it and that the clouds will pass, and that's what this is all about. And to further help illustrate this point on the fourth principle, I'm going to borrow a little quote that I love from the current president of the United States. Now, you might agree or disagree with his politics, but listen to these words. They're quite powerful. It goes something like this, and I tweaked it around, give it a little Lowly Nation tweak just to help adapt and display my point. Hope is not blind optimism. It's that feeling inside of us that insists that something better awaits if we have the discipline to work through to it, if we have the courage to believe and fight for it, if we have the perseverance to get over the obstacles and the challenges to get through to it, that something better awaits you. And that's what this fourth principle is about. It's about not just the empty word. It is not blind optimism. It's about you getting out there, doing the work, having the belief, and having perseverance. And I'm doing that. I'm doing that right now with this blog. As I put it out 6 weeks ago, I had the discipline to post to all the subscribers 3 times in a week. I will have the courage to believe in that my message means something, that it will get to someone. My message is none different than a lot of folks out there. As I said, the truth at its core is simple. The complexity lies in how you get through to it. And if I happen to be there at the right time, sending the right message to you, that's fantastic. That I have 1 subscriber or 1,000 subscribers, it does not matter, because I have that belief. And I will have the perseverance to get over the critics, to take in the non-believers, because I will continue to share with you the message that has changed my life overall. So there you go. I'm practicing it, and I urge you to go outside and practice it too. So now, I'm going to wish you a fabulous weekend on this fabulous Friday. Make it fantastic. Make it a wonderful weekend. And I'm going to come to you on Monday and talk to you about the 5th principle towards a prodigious success. And that is to think only of the best, to work only for the best, and expect only the best. And that's coming to you on Marvelous Mondays. As always, remember, what you did in the past made you who you are today. But what you do today, look at the sunny side of everything and make your optimism come true. That means you look at that sun, you believe that it's there behind the clouds, will define who you become tomorrow. So you must do, not just listen. Go out there and act. This is Tito Kang for the Lowly Nation blog saying aloha and mahalo to your prodigious success.